big hello to all you Sicilians. Welcome to yet another exciting episode of Sicilian TV.
This is Sicilian Bulletin and we bring you all the latest and greatest of BNI chapters around us.
I am Bashit Shah from BNI Lazarus.
And I am Bhavani Kanga from BNI Atlas, and we bring in a lot of exciting and latest news from BNI chapters around us.
First up, let us celebrate our networkers of the month. A big congratulations to Ashish Sisodia from BNI Athena and Manan Shah from BNI Osiris, who both invited 12 visitors each. And a special recognition to Mr. Amit Chopra from BNI Maximus, who has generated the TYFCB of more than 9 crore rupees.
Amazing work. These numbers reflect the energy and dedication of our members. So let's keep the momentum on and let's aim for even bigger milestones.
Well, speaking about milestones, a huge shout out to BNI Dominus for celebrating its 5th anniversary this month. What a fantastic year for them. And this is to many more years of success to BNI Dominus.
And let's welcome our newest members. The new member gala hosted by Abhay Aksnani and Mihir Mehta had 63 new members in attendance. What an amazing way for these new Sicilians to join the most powerful networking platform.
Now let's give you some exciting news. We are thrilled to announce the launch of BNI Acrasius, the 56th chapter in Ahmedabad region. The chapter with 39 members and 25 visitors. We are very much sure that with this incredible energy, this chapter is very soon to hit the platinum pin of BNI Ahmedabad.
That is amazing. Congratulations to the entire launch team. Launch Ambassador Raj Desai from BNI Perseus, Launch Director Chirag Mehta from BNI Kronos, and Senior Launch Director Babita Khandelwal from BNI Dominus. The chapter is in great hands under the guidance of Support Ambassador Rikin Shah from BNI Darius, Support Director Neeraj Goswami from BNI Prometheus, and Senior Support Director Harsh Tanna from BNI Atlas.
Now let's talk about the Fosters chapter. BNI Fosters just celebrated its 51st member. With this number, they are close to the platinum pin at BNI Ahmedabad.
And this meeting was even more exciting because of the presence of our Executive Director Mr. Yash Vasant and our Senior Support Director Harsh Tanna from BNI Atlas. They added an amazing energy to the room.
The meeting saw 100% attendance, 5 visitors, more than 100 one-to-one meetings, and more than 3.2 crores of business closed. Plus, Fosters is celebrating its 5th consecutive Rising Sicilian Award. The huge congratulations to the Fosters chapter. Plus, Fosters is celebrating its 5th consecutive Rising Sicilian Award. What a chapter! A huge congratulations to BNI Fosters.
Let's take a moment to congratulate the winners of the CMIS video contest. Congratulations to BNI Petra for being the first runner-up.
I am Saurabh Golecha, an ordinary young person and new in lighting manufacturing. I was once an introvert who struggled to present myself and my business to a group of people. I wanted to change, but how could I? And the day arrived, I joined and met the incredible members of BNI Petra. हर सफ़र की एक कहानी होती है. मैं आपको उन 4 मेंबर से मिलवाने जा रहा हूँ जिनकी कहानियाँ मेरे सफ़र का मोड़ बन गई. हर मोड़ मेरे सफ़र में एक नया बदलाव लाया और मुझे जीने का एक नया अंदाज सिखा गया. ये है रवि अग्रवाल, अ मैन हुज पैशन एंड डिटर्मिनेशन डिफाइड द ऑड्स. एक आम इंसान अपनी बाइक पर छोटे मोटे प्रॉपर्टी डीलर के रूप में सफ़र की शुरुआत करी, लेकिन रास्ते में कितनी भी मुश्किल आई, उनका पैशन कभी टूटा नहीं. Sagar Vora. This man spent 14 years navigating the complex world of loans, juggling tasks and racing against deadline. जब उन्होंने अपना बिजनेस चालू किया तो हर कदम पर उन्हें चुनौतियों का सामना करना पड़ा. क्लाइंट से लेकर पेपर वर्क और पैसों का हिसाब, ये सब उन्हें अकेले ही संभालना पड़ा. रातें लंबी होती गई और सुबह जल्दी, क्योंकि वो अपने बढ़ते हुए काम को संभाल नहीं पा रहे थे. Vijay Prajapati. In obscurity, a skilled cameraman languished, talent unseen, network non-existent, a local artist trapped, longing for the canvas to showcase his mastery. His life needed a complete transformation. Arvind Prajapati. When he moved from Himmatnagar to Ahmedabad, he faced new challenges. Despite managing a business back home, he lacked local connections here and had to navigate an unfamiliar business landscape. He struggled to establish himself in the new market. As the seasons of life turned, their fortunes too underwent a transformation. New encounters blossomed into meaningful connections, and fresh opportunities unfolded like a canvas of possibilities. With each passing day, they found themselves on a platform of growth, where learning and self-discovery became the cornerstones of their journey. And as they embraced this evolution, the tides of the time changed. Ravi rose to build an empire with 2 offices, taking an entire project and venturing into constructions. उनकी कहानी इस बात की सबूत है कि जब दिल में सच्चाई, चाहत और जुनून हो तो आसमान भी झुककर सलाम करता है। ये वही रवि है जिसने हार मानना सीखा ही नहीं, और आज उसकी कहानी कहती है कभी अपने सपनों से समझौता मत करना, क्योंकि जब तक तुम हार नहीं मानते, जीत तुम्हारी ही होगी। Everything changed for Sagar too from this dynamic networking organization. बेहतर एफिशिएंसी और नेटवर्किंग की ताकत से अब वो एक साथ कई कामों को बखूबी संभाल सकते हैं। समय को अपनी मुट्ठी में कर लिया है और नतीजा पहले से भी ज़्यादा बेहतर आने लगा। अब उनके लिए कोई भी काम मुश्किल नहीं, अब वो वक्त को नहीं, वक्त उन्हें पकड़ने की कोशिश कर रहा है। फॉर विजय, हिज जर्नी वॉज द बीकन ऑफ होप। मेंबर्स ने उनको अपनाया और रेफरेंसेस की बरसात होने लगी। उनका कारोबार आसमान छूने लगा। 12 कैमरामैन उनकी टीम में जुड़ गए और BNI के सहारे हर साल 15 से ज़्यादा वेडिंग फोटोग्राफी उनके लिए एक आम बात बन गई। यहाँ से मानो उन्होंने अपनी तकदीर ही बदल दी और अब उनके पास खुद की गाड़ी, घर और ऑफिस है। उनकी कहानी कोई क्लीशे बॉलीवुड मूवी की तरह हो गई है, कुछ नहीं से सब कुछ। अब बात करते हैं आखिरी किरदार की। सिर्फ 1 साल में BNI ने उनकी ज़िंदगी की स्क्रिप्ट ही बदल दी। नेटवर्किंग से नई अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ उनके लिए खुली, मेंबर से मिलके उनकी काबिलियत निखरी। नई ऊंचाइयां पहुंचने के बाद वो स्ट्रेटेजिक, कॉन्फिडेंट और कनेक्टेड महसूस करने लगे, और आज उसी नेटवर्किंग के चलते वो लॉन्च डायरेक्टर बने नए रीजन के, और अपने साथ लोगों को भी उन्हीं ऊंचाइयों तक पहुंचा रहे हैं। BNI से उनकी ज़िंदगी एक शानदार मोड़ पर आ चुकी है जो उन्होंने खुद शायद सोचा भी नहीं होगा। इनकी कहानियों से मैंने सीखा कि सक्सेस सिर्फ मंजिल तक पहुंचना नहीं है, बल्कि एक सफ़र है संघर्ष की कहानी का और उन्हीं रास्तों में मिले लोगों की। और वो कहते हैं ना कि सफ़र का असली मज़ा तभी आता है जब सफ़र खुद एक कहानी बन जाए। आई थैंक दीज मेंबर्स फॉर देयर पैशन, efficiency, transformation and their reformed approach which made me an accomplished person. We are grateful for the lessons learned from these incredible individuals, and we are excited to see what the future holds for all of us.
And a big round of applause for BNI Gannicals for being the second runner-up.
क्या जवान जाना?
नहीं था हमारे थे, sorry.
I never thought कि I would reach from here to there. So you always know कि starting a new business, especially when your concept is very new, because people do not aware about your concept, so it is very difficult to establish a new concept in market.
So networking for me has become now a way of life, So networking is all about, giving very genuine interest in somebody's work, realizing what he does well or she does well, and then creating value for them.
So I started my business in 2020. As you all know, it's a COVID time. I used to carry more than 500 kg stocks in my car.
And when I started BNI, I don't have any kind of contact, or because I was a job person.
I joined BNI in 2016. So it has been 8 years since I joined BNI Gannicals chapter. For me, the first success was that in first year of my joining, around 40% of the chapter members are my clients.
And I got my first business at cricket ground.
It's been 9 years I'm part of BNI. On very second month, I got a single referral which turned out to be a business of 50 lakhs.
બધા જોડે બહુ જ સારી રીતે નેટવર્ક થયો છે. મને વિધિન 2 મંથ્સમાં બિઝનેસ બી મળી ગયો છે.
Through BNI, I reached to one of the interior architects of Mumbai, and through them I got an inspection order of Mukesh Ambani's house, Juhi Chawla's bungalows, Sonakshi Sinha's house, and we did inspection of Vidhan Sabha and many big personalities probably.
So when I began in BNI, probably 0.5% of my turnover was contributed from BNI, and today when we secure close to 6,000 crores of asset, more than 5% of my business is sourced through BNI. So this has been a tenfold amazing journey for me in the last 8 years, nearly 9 years that I have been with BNI.
In 2022, during symposium, I met 3 cross-chapter members, all fellow chartered accountants. CA Arjun Akruwala, he is from Magnus, Meghal Shah from Zenobia, and Marmik Shah from started a startup advisory firm. In last 1.5 years, we have invested into 12 different startups, and the investment amount is more than 15 crores.
So I met Saumil Shah, and he gave me the reference for GMDC, Mahatma Mandir, and the big societies, the Suryamri Post.
So through BNI, I contacted Ankit Badolia from BNI Shine. We executed 3 offices of modern securities, and we did good big project.
I have been, working with the top developers of Ahmedabad, whether it is the Ratna developers, or whether it's the Times Square Group, or whether it is somebody as reputed as Swati. These are all references which have come to me from BNI, and we have ongoing deep relationships with all these clients for all these years now.
Creating a successful business, it's all about creating relationship and business relationship.
So for me, networking is the heart of the business.
So if you are not networking, you are not working.
The golden rule of networking is the people.
This is, business without boundaries and business of unlimited potential.
Great job showcasing the true spirit of BNI.
And now let's talk about the inspiring success story of Mr. Pankaj Oswal from BNI Entrepose. After joining in January 2024, Mr. Pankaj connected with Harsh from the real estate industry during a BNI meeting in Jodhpur. That connection led to a potential client in Delhi, and within a few months, Mr. Pankaj closed deals worth 12 crore rupees.
That's an amazing story. It just shows how powerful BNI platform is for generating new, real business and true connections. And now it's time for Sicilian Spoofify.
Hey, this is B from Revolution Milk Private Limited. We are 3 years old company currently located in Ahmedabad. We are opening our new plant near Ahmedabad-Vadodara Highway, and for that, we are looking for suppliers. Someone who can give good amount of milk is the right connect for me. Thank you. Yes, I fulfilled your specific ask, reaching your office in just 10 minutes. She gives 25 liters per day.
And now let's look at our ED's book recommendation. If you have any chapter milestones achieved or any member success stories, do not forget to get in touch with us to get featured in the next episode.
Thank you for tuning in today. Till then, please remember to stay connected, stay inspired and keep growing. Until next time, this is Bhavini Kamdar from BNI Atlas.
And this is Bajit Shah from BNI Lazarus. Till then, keep thriving and keep rocking, Sicilians.